Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize create job application apps with JotForm, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing job application apps using JotForm, first, visit the log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the My Forms section on your dashboard. Click on the Create Form button to start a new project. Select the Start from Scratch option to have full control over your form. Next, choose either the classic form or card form based on your preference. Begin designing your form by adding fields relevant to job applications, such as name, email, and resume upload. To integrate with the necessary third-party apps, click on the Settings tab in the top menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Integrations option. Search for the apps you want to connect, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Click on the app, then select the Authenticate button to authorize access. Follow the prompts to log into the selected app and grant JotForm the required permissions. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to JotForm. Now, configure the integration settings according to your requirements. For example, choose where to save form submissions in your connected app. Click on the Save button to confirm your integration settings. Next, navigate back to the Publish tab to finalize your form. Here, you can choose to share your form via a link or embed it on your website. Make sure to test your form to ensure that everything, including integrations, is functioning properly. After testing, you can share your form link with potential job applicants. Monitor submissions through the Submissions section in your dashboard. You can also set up notifications to receive alerts when a new application is submitted. Lastly, keep your form updated based on feedback or changes in your hiring process. This completes the guide on how to authorize and create job application apps using JotForm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.